Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.
Welcome back in my another video, and to this video for beginner DSLR users. We have a bad habit in beginner level. We put out SD card every time after shooting. It is a reason we get problem in 1 year no SD card found. So it is very important to know about how to transfer data using Wi-Fi. If your camera has built-in Wi-Fi, that's well, otherwise you can use a third-party Wi-Fi adapter. So let's get started. There are same process for Nikon or Canon users. As I am a Canon user, so first of all I have to install the application which required for Canon users. Both of the application link in video description. Go to Play Store and then search for WMU Canon. Install this application in your device. Once you have installed it, then open it, agree with the terms and conditions, and then tap on Start. Now turn on your camera and go to menu option, then Wi-Fi connection. Select your device. As I want to connect it with smartphone, so I will choose the first one. Add a new device. Here select Android. If you are iPhone user, then you can choose iOS. Tap on Set Connect by Wi-Fi. Okay, now turn on mobile Wi-Fi. And as you can see here, the camera model name, tap on it and type the password. This password only required for first time. Okay, once you have connected it successfully, then again open the application and tap on here. Now allow access permission on your camera and that's it. Now you can access your camera to your Android smartphone. Here tap on images on camera and you will find all shooted photos and videos here. So now if you want to import images in your smartphone, just open the image which one you want to import and import option should be right here. Obviously you have to select original size. Not only that, you can also use your smartphone as a remote for your camera. Just tap on here and live view shooting started. Here you will find the access of camera shutter count, aperture value and ISO. It's really useful if you are shooting with a tripod. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. To get more of this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.